The Hill We Climb. If you did not attend today's meet, watch Mrs. Key's Google Meet video from Monday, February the 8th, for a quiz review. Don't miss it. We will discuss the quiz questions and answers. Mrs. Key will open the quiz after the meet. You may use the poem and figurative language PowerPoint attached to this assignment to help you with your answers. The first section, of course, we always put our name. Question 1. What comes next in the poem? Quiet isn't always peace, and the norms and notions of what just isn't always A, justice, B, just that, C, adjusted, or D, just there. Question 2. In the poem, Amanda says that America isn't broken, but it is what? A, unprepared, B, unfinished, C, confused, or D, forgetful. Question 3. In the poem, it says being American is more than a pride we inherit. It's the past we step into, and A, now we will share it, B, how we repair it, C, nothing compares to it, or D, we're not scared of it. Question 4. What type of figurative language does Amanda use in this sentence? To compose a country committed to all cultures, colors, characters, and conditions of man. Here's a hint. Listen to the repeated sounds of the words. A, hyperbole. B, sensory detail. C, alliteration. Or D, idiom. Question 5. In the poem, it says, and so we lift our gazes, not to what stands between us, but what A is behind us, B is in the sky, C is in our way, or D stands before us. Question 6. Amanda is the youngest poet to ever speak at a presidential inauguration. She is also what? A, the youngest person to write good poetry. B, fluent in 8 languages. C, the youngest national poet laureate. Or D, the youngest person to meet Joe Biden. Question 7. What comes next? When day comes, we step out of the shade. A, aflame and unafraid. B, afraid but unashamed. C, enraged but entertained. Or D, dazed but well explained. Question 8. In the title, The Hill We Climb, hill is a metaphor that stands for what? A, Mount Everest. B, hiking trail. C, the difficult times Americans face. Or D, good times. Question 9. Amanda's poetry draws on her experiences of being what? A, Black. B, a woman. C, a young American. Or D, all of the above. Question 10. What is one theme or the message for you of the hill we climb. Support your answer with evidence from the poem that describes this theme.